Ooh, look at that. Look how dirty that is, guys. Right to the point to hopefully help some of you guys out. We are replacing the blower motor on my 2005 Infiniti FX35. This is my girl. She's a little dirty right now. She needs a good detail, but that's okay. Wintertime is rough on vehicles. Just had to replace the battery, and then now we're replacing the blower motor. So here's our replacement. This is super easy to do on the 2005 Infiniti FX35. Well, we got it all apart. We're gonna go ahead and replace the cabin air filter as well. To get started, you have this cover. Like I said, we're getting straight to the point in this video, guys. You have this cover that covers it. It's up here, and you just gotta pull it down. It's just clipped on there. Double check yours though to make sure you don't have no bolts, because I don't want you to yank on it and then break your plastic because it's bolted in somehow. Also, plastic clips can break, so just know that. Mine didn't break when I pulled it out. I was gentle pulling it out. And then after that, this is what you're left with right here. So you have 3 bolts holding the blower motor in. Under this, well, this is the blower motor right here. I don't know how well you guys can see, but that is the blower motor. So you have 3 bolts holding it in and a plug. And so you got to unplug it and unscrew those 3 bolts with the Phillips. So I was going to let you listen to what it sounds like, but it stopped working. So that's okay. I'll go ahead and tell you what it sounded like. So it sounded like metal grinding, and the fan itself is plastic, but it has screws underneath it. And I've already taken the thing apart and diagnosed what was wrong with it. I put it back together just for the purpose of this video so I can show you guys how to remove it and how to replace it. That way it's a quality video and not just me starting the video from already halfway through the repair like I did one of my other videos. So I want to show you guys everything step by step. The fan like kind of tilted off its axis and got loose, and there's screws that it was just grinding on. The fan itself is plastic, but it's got a metal wheel that connects it to the rod. Anyways, I will show you guys once we get it out. So let's go ahead and get straight back to removing the old one and installing the new one, and then I will go ahead and show you guys how to replace the cabin air filter as well, because already this far we might as well just go ahead and do it. I've never replaced one, but it should be easy enough. So like I said in the beginning, guys, you got the 3 screws in there. I'm not going to be able to show me unscrewing them. I don't have a lot of room to work here, and I don't have a GoPro to do a head mount, but I don't think you'd be able to see anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. The old one is out. This is what it looks like. This is what I was talking about. So as you can see, it's got like metal on there. What happens is when it rotates, it's hitting those screws right there. Definitely not good. Out with the old one. Here's the new one. Oh, also guys, see, your cabin air filter is right here. That thing is dirty. Looks like it's got mold on it or something. Definitely not good. Needs to be replaced. So in order to do that, we have to remove the glove box, and I'll show you how to do that as we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the new one back in. Super simple, 3 bolts in and a plug. There's your plug wire. It's got like 2 prongs in it, and that's it, guys. So let's go ahead and get it done. All right, guys, here's the new one. It's nice and solid, looks just like the old one. The fan looks a little yellow. The old one's white, but it should be fine. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is this plate right here is some kind of protector. It actually goes over it just like so, just like that. Kind of just pops on there, and it when you put it up there, it screws in. So super simple, and that's it, guys. Now this thing came with new bolts, but I'm not even gonna bother using them because I still got the old ones and they're fine. The new one's hooked up, so let's go ahead and test it out, make sure it works, and then we'll go ahead and start replacing the cabin air filter. All right, guys, moment of truth. Go ahead and turn it on. Boom. Turn it up. I hear it. I feel hot air. It's not blowing very fast, and that is because the cabin air filter needs to be changed. So once we change the cabin air filter, it will blow a lot harder, a lot stronger, and heat the car up a lot faster. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Also, guys, remember, if this video helps you out in any way, please subscribe to my channel. You're doing me a big favor by subscribing and supporting. I appreciate every last one of you, and I plan on making a video, like a special video, because we passed 100 subscribers, and I'm just so excited, and it's just awesome. Like, I never thought I would get to over 100 subscribers as fast as I did. So thank all of you guys that watch my videos and support the channel. The channel's mainly about, you know, like car repairs and stuff, but also like a vlog. You know, I like to have fun in my videos. I like to have fun with my videos. You know. They're going fast. So I like to have fun with my videos too, and I like to do fun stuff, not just car repairs. I like to modify cars, make them faster, do cool stuff, you know, all that kind of stuff, and I love sharing that with you guys. So I appreciate your support, and thank you for sticking with me through the ups and the downs of the videos, the bad videos, the good videos, the better videos, the not so many videos. Thank you. So let's go ahead and get this cabin air filter removed. Alright guys, so to remove the cabin air filter, what you're going to have to do is remove your glove box. Make sure everything is out of your glove box. Just throw it in the seat. So to remove the glove box, I have no idea how, but we're going to figure it out together. You down? Okay, let's do it. Alright, so I see 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips across the top. Now I don't know. Huh? And I think this has to be removed. Let's go ahead and remove these bolts and see what happens. Because the cabin air filter is back behind the glove box, because there's a little spot that you use, the cabin air filter is back behind the glove box, and there's a little spot that you, I guess, pull the old one out and put the new one in. So that's why you have to remove the glove box. At least according to another video I watched on it. But that video wasn't the best. My video is definitely not going to be the best because I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I just like to figure stuff out, so. Alright, let's see what that did. Oh, nice and loose now. Alright, so it looks like this does have to come out. So this trim piece has to come out right here because the glove department it comes down under here. So it's like, and then I imagine it just snaps out now. So, and I know this piece snaps out. Just be careful because these clips inside these doors on any car break easy. So we got that out, and then it looks like I have to pull that panel out. All right, it looks like there's a bolt here that you gotta remove. Make sure that it's the same size, or that way you don't get them all mixed up. Alright guys, well, it's out. Be careful when you take it out. It's got a bunch of wires, you know, connected to it. So there's the bolt on bottom as well, over on the left side that it's bolted in. So and that's how simple it is to go ahead and remove the glove box. Pretty simple. This is what it looks like underneath it, and as you can see up there, there's our cabin air filter. Right up here, looks like, or no, right here. So this piece comes off somehow. Yeah, just like that. Ooh, look at that. Look how dirty that is, guys. Go ahead and pull it out. Oh, that thing is gross. Look at that, guys. That thing is beyond gross. So this will help you if you're trying to make your car blow really strong again, because it's definitely not blowing strong through that for sure. Go ahead and throw that down there. Let's grab our new one. Alright guys, so these airflows are directional, so you want to make sure the arrow is facing up, because you don't want to, I mean, it's not blowing down, it's blowing up into the whole system. So I believe it just sits in there on top of, if you can see, there's a little like ledge that goes upwards. I believe it just sits on top of that, so we're going to put it on top of that, and it just sits like that, I believe. So yep, let's go ahead and I'm going to start getting this all back together, and then we'll go ahead and test out the air and see how strong it is now. Alright guys, all back together. Super simple, easy job. Could have got it done faster if I wasn't making a video, but you know, I like making videos for you guys. So like I said, super simple job. The only thing I needed was a Phillips screwdriver. So now we're gonna go ahead and start the car and test it out. Alrighty then, turn the heater on. See what kind of airflow we're working with. Oh yeah, that's a lot stronger. Car smells great. That's another thing. If you guys might want to replace your cabin air filter if your car smells bad, if you're having really musty smells inside your car, if your windows are taking a long time to defog, you definitely might want to replace the cabin air filter. That's it for the video, guys. I know it wasn't put together the best. This was kind of a spur of the moment video. I had to do this to this car today, and I figured I could share it with you guys, so you guys, it might help you out. That's why I make my videos, to help you out, also to help myself out, because I like making videos. I like being creative, and that is me. Oh my god, what is that? Do you guys see that on the wall? What the fuck is that? What is that? I think it's a stink bug. I don't know. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. That's a wrap. That's a wrap, guys. That's a wrap for the video. That's a wrap. That's a wrap, guys. Don't forget to like if you like the video. Definitely it helps the channel out. Don't forget to like. Also subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be a special video because we passed 100 subscribers. So thanks again, guys, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Oh yeah, today is the day after Christmas, so happy late Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys next time.